The following program is rated G. It is suitable for all audiences.
Hi, good day. Today, I'm gonna show you how to solve the future value. What is future value? Future value is an asset's value at a certain date in the future, given an initial investment and a series of cash flows that is compounded at a given interest rate. Given the numbers of P denotes for principal amount, while I denotes for the interest rate, and N for the number of period. For the given problem, P is equal to 100, I is equal to 5%, and N is equal to 5. First, you need to write the formula. Future value is equal to the principal amount times 1 plus the interest rate raised to the number of period. Let's continue by substituting the given formula. Note, we will make the interest rate into a decimal point. Now let's proceed to the computation. 1 plus 0.05 is equal to 1.05.
Then 1.05 raised to 5 is equals to, after that, 1.2768 times 100 is equals to 127.63.
Given the amount of principal amount is 500,000, interest rate is 8%, and number of periods is 15. With the formula of, then substitute the given to the formula. And now, let's compute it one by one. 1 plus 0.08 is equals to 1.08.
Then 1.08 raised to 15 is equals to, and now, let's multiply 500,000 into 3.172 is equals to 1,586,084.56.
Tinatawag namin ang best friend namin sa other side.
0, 6, 6, 6.
Baliktad. 0999 yan.
Tatawag sa ibang network!
Takot-tawag sa DM. Wala nang takot-tawag sa friends na sumakabilang network. With DM, pangkolahatan. May alitawag na sa lahat. May text at Facebook photos pa. Lilipat na yan.
Hi! Today, the next lesson that we will discuss is about compound future value. The formula that we will use is future value is equals principal amount times 1 plus interest rate over numbers of compounding periods per year raised to number of compounding periods per year times number of periods. Note: annually is 1, semi-annually is 2, quarterly is 4, monthly is 12, weekly is 52, and daily is 365. Given P for principal amount, I for interest rate, N for numbers of periods, and M for number of compounding period per year. The given number are P is equals to 60,000, I is equals to 4%, N is equals to 5, and M is equals to quarterly compounding. Write the formula. Then substitute each number to the given formula. And now, let's solve this equation. Divide 0.04 to 4. The answer 0.01 add to 1 is equals to 1.01. 1.01 raised to 20 is equals to 1.22.
1.22 times 60,000 is equals to 73,211.40. Our next topic is all about present value. But first, what is present value? A present value is the current value of a future stream of cash flows given a rate of return. As mentioned, the present value PV can be derived from the future value formula and is given as follows. Formula for present value is present value is equals to future value over 1 plus interest rate raised to number of periods, where FB is future value, I interest rate, and number of periods. Similarly, the preceding formula can be adjusted to account for multiple confounding periods, where FB is future value, I interest rate, M number of periods per year, N number of periods. Example: Clarence's parents are planning to buy a new car for their son in 3 years' time when he becomes 18. By that time, a car is still expected to be around 800,000. If a 3-year time deposit account earns an interest rate of 8%, how much money do they have to invest now in order to achieve their goal? Since we know that the future value will be 800,000, the interest rate 8%, the number of periods is 3, so we have to find P. As the given substituted to the formula, it will be. So, let's solve this. 1 plus 0.08 is equals to 1.08. So, 1.08 raised to 3 is equals to 1.259712. And after that, divide 800,000 to 1.259712 and is equals to 635,065.79. For the last lesson, it's about compound present value. As what we said earlier, the formula of this is present value is equals to future value over 1 plus the interest rate over numbers of compounding periods per year raised to number of compounding periods per year times number of periods. Given the example of FB is equals to 50,000, I is equals to 10%, N is equals to 5 years, and M is equals to semi-annual compounding. So now, let's proceed on solving the problem. Substitute the given into the formula. In solving the compound present value, is the same in solving the normal present value. The different one is that the compound present value is compounded. So 0.10 over 2 is equals to 0.05. Then 0.05 add to 1 is equals to 1.05. Then 1.05 raised to 10 is equals to 1.628894627. Then divide 50,000 over 1.628894627 is equals to 30,695.66. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching.